Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and the topic for today's video is Universal Immunization Program. So immunization program generally refers to giving vaccines to newly born kids to ensure that they are not attacked by any viruses or bacteria, or in fact any other form of diseases which can be prevented. This is a part of the preventive healthcare program of the Government of India. This has been introduced in 1985. So the Ministry of Health provides several vaccines to infants, children and pregnant women throughout the country sometimes, and also in select states, and this is a part of the universal immunization program. So what exactly is immunization? Like already discussed, it is a process through which a person is made immune to an infectious disease. So right now there couldn't be a better time to understand this concept of immunization given the COVID crisis. So we are struggling to develop a vaccine against this infectious disease. So immunization is this process to create a vaccine and prevent the person from getting a disease. It is prevention, not a cure. Immunization happens before we contract this disease. Immunization typically involves an administration of a vaccine. So vaccines stimulate body's own immune system to protect against infection in future. So what are the various vaccines that are given? Some of the most important ones and the very early ones include BCG, oral polio vaccine, hepatitis vaccine, pentavalent vaccine. We also have certain other new variants which are added to the Mission Indradhanush in select states. Now when we say that we are carrying out a universal immunization program, it means that it is universal in a particular geography as notified by the government. It does not mean that all the vaccines are given to all the children born in all the states. So rotavirus vaccine is available presently only in a select few states. Now one activity that you can actually take up is understand what each of this vaccine is given for and what is the importance of each of this vaccine. Let us have a look at this statement. So 3 doses of rotavirus vaccine are given at the age of 6, 10 and 14 weeks across the country. Now this is a false statement because we have just discussed that rotavirus vaccine is available only in a few particular states. Now regarding this ENDS, what is this ENDS? If you haven't watched the previous video on nicotine free tobacco delivery systems, please go back and watch that. The problem that we have discussed in that video is these devices are marketed as tobacco free. However, they do contain nicotine, and due to this fact the government has banned that. Please go back to that old video and revise this concept. So this statement is indeed right. This statement is false and this statement is right. So the answer is 2 only. Now please have a look at this question. Previously we have posted a video on Nipah virus as well. So considering the fact that viral diseases and bacterial diseases are extremely important, and also the fact that Nipah virus also does not have a vaccine, it is important to understand the mechanism of Nipah virus. So please watch the previous video posted on Nipah virus as well and try to answer this question. This is a sort of a revision. Please post your answer in the comment section below.